Welcome, class of HC. Like this video on your way in and comment present in the comment section below if you're here to become the best version of you. Here are the 5 steps on how to have faith. Step 1. Pay attention. In this context, to pay attention is to take the time to study and analyze exactly what you're going through. Oftentimes, our faith wanes because we don't understand why, what, or how what we are going through is significant to our journey. However, by taking moments to ask yourself questions such as, what is happening now that is different? Who is around me right now? What do the things I do daily mean to me in the grand scheme of things? Do I really care about the things I'm involved in right now? And questions of the like encourages a deeper understanding of your situation and can help encourage faith in your actions going forward. Paying attention inspires inner reflection, which inspires meaning to your journey. And once you can appreciate the meaning behind whatever it is you are going through, you are more prone to having faith in the divine order and your own divine path. Having faith means never hoping for a blessing. Rather, it is to hope you can better recognize the blessings that are in your life around you right now. Often, when we feel lost or dismayed, it's because we are simply paying attention to the wrong things, blinded by distraction. This is similar to complaining about having to walk for miles to get to a once-in-a-lifetime interview for a job opportunity, for example. Yet, having a willing friend that has always told you that they could help you if ever you needed a ride. It's spending your time complaining and arguing with yourself, thinking, if only I was rich and had a new car, everything would be so simple. And to think, why is it that the one time I have an opportunity, I can't even get where I'm going? The world is working against me. Woe is me. While if you just paid attention to your circumstance, you would realize that you have a great friend hoping to be there for you when you need them most, just like how you were once there for them when they needed you. Opening your mind and paying attention will help you to take your focus off of the perceived problem and notice the blessings that you are already surrounded with, which would have helped you to avoid all of that stress in the first place. Step 2. Don't take things personal. To not take things personal is to accept that things are not happening to you. The universe is not working against you per se. It is just working. Knowing not to take things personal will help with faith because when we overinvest in problems, we simultaneously are taking away from investing in potential solutions. By taking a step back and refusing to take things personal, you'll be able to have faith in your life process, knowing that whatever is happening right now is simply an instrument for what is to come. Take a step back and take your ego, pride, and feelings out of the equation and see what you are going through for what it is. Another step on your journey. By following this process, you give yourself the opportunity to see things from a different angle and appreciate that there is something bigger than you at play. This will encourage faith on your journey to becoming who you are. Step 3. Allow yourself to feel. Be patient. In this context, to allow yourself to feel is to appreciate what you are going through and to respect that when you are going through something, your only duty is to keep going through until you make it through. This means that you must consider appreciating every lesson as a blessing. This may sound unusual because you're thinking, HC, I'm going through the worst moments of my life right now. You don't understand. But wait, this just means that even in the worst case, there are golden nuggets present, which will help you on your journey forward. Think of this like a video game. In the first level of the game, you may find it so hard to defeat the final boss. He's just too difficult. And all you have is this level 1 sword, and the process to defeat the boss is just so tedious, so annoying, and it's just so hard. But, as said earlier, when you are going through something, just keep going. When you finally defeat that boss, you will find that your skill level has increased, and that now you earn the level 2 sword, simply for passing the level. You will then realize that if you never passed through this first level boss, you could have never known how to wield this new weapon, or even acquire it in the first place. To allow yourself to feel what you are going through means to experience the moment for what it is, and to connect to it as much as possible. Because all it really is a moment, after all. Be patient. Go through this. You will grow. You will become more. You are in this chapter of your life for a reason. Have faith. Step 4. Avoid doubt. A lot of our lack of faith comes from the desire to know how we are going to succeed, and then believing in the myriad of reasons our minds make up for why it would be impossible to succeed given our current circumstances. Faith is possible when we accept that what we manifest we already have. Time and effort, or non-effort necessary thereof, is nothing more than illusion. Stop doubting yourself. We could believe the illusion, but that would lead us to living in an illusion. Or we could remain in our belief, in our faith, that what is meant for us cannot pass us, and be comforted by the presence of the Most High within us and around us. To avoid doubt is to be wary of where doubt is coming from, and to make an effort to be surrounded by elements that support your growth and your progress. By avoiding doubt, you are giving your mind a chance to breathe and create in a healthy environment that can inspire your next move. Avoiding doubt is paramount in faith, because if your mind is succumbed to doubt, it cannot express a reality of faith. To help with avoiding doubt, write down your desires, speak them into existence, and act them into being. Know that what you are meant to achieve is in reach. It always has been. Stay on the course. Close the door to doubt and have faith. Finally, step 5, trust your gut. Your gut is like an umbilical cord to the power of the universe. Imagine yourself as a baby in the womb. Trusting your gut is knowing that you will be fed. Allow your gut to speak to you. You are already connected. Access to a higher level of faith already exists in you, for you. Life will continue to send the same lessons until you learn them. Usually, they'll come in different forms, situations, or people, but the underlying lesson will be the same. Self-reflection, humility, and the ability to be open-minded are essential to complete the lessons, as said by social media star Andrew Tate. Trust your gut and open your heart to faith. Thanks for your attendance on this day's class. Before you leave class today, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you here next class on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.